Hello kids, today we're going to have another topic to be discussed. This is about solving problems involving divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. In this lesson, you will apply what you have learned from the previous lesson about divisibility rules in solving word problems. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving factors, multiples, and divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, choose the correct answer, write it in your notebook. Let's have this activity. Maxine made 15 cupcake desserts. She arranged the desserts on platters with the same number of desserts on each platter. How many desserts could Maxine have put on each platter? So, ang given natin dito is 15 cupcakes. Ang hinihingi naman kung ilang desserts na mailalagay or cupcakes na mailalagay ni Maxine sa bawat platter. So, we have our given which is 2, 5, and 10. So, let's try number 2. So, hindi pwede ang number 2, hindi divisible ang 2 sa 15. How about 10? Hindi rin dahil may labis. May remainder of 5. How about 5? Exactly correct. Meron tayong 3 platters na tig-5 cupcake ang laman. Okay, another problem. Louis has to split 60 pupils in his class into different groups with equal number of members. In how many ways can he form these groups with no pupils being left over? So, may mga guided question tayo dito. Number 1, what is asked in the problem? Number 2, what are the given facts? Number 3, what strategy can we use to solve the problem? Number 4, solve. And then number 5, check your answer. Now, let's move on. The first thing to do in solving word problem is to understand. You will answer these questions. What is asked? In this case, the problem is asking for the number of ways to regroup the pupils equally. Next, what is or are the given facts? The problem has only given one number, which is 60 pupils. Now, the second step is to plan. Think of a strategy on how to solve the problem. In the given example, you can apply the divisibility rules. Now, anong strategy na gagamitin natin? Find the factors of 60. Next, the third step is to solve. We need to solve. You have to find the factors of 60 except 1 and itself. Ang ibig sabihin ng itself ay ang 60. So, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, and 30. Therefore, Louis has 10 possible ways to regroup his pupils without any excess. The fourth step is to check. Check whether your answer, which is 10, is correct. To check, you can do it using the divisibility rules. Is 60 divisible by 2? How about by 3? By 4? By 5, by 6, by 10, 11, 15, 20, how about 30? If yes, then your answer is correct. Okay, now kids, we will going to have another problem. So, ang ating problem ay the length and width of a rectangular garden are 108 meters by 144 meters. Trees are planted at equal distance along the sides of the garden. Our first question is, what is the distance between the two neighboring trees? So to answer the question, use continuous division in getting the GCF. So mga anak, ano bang ibig sabihin ng GCF? Yes, okay, tama. GCF stands for greatest common factor. So ngayon, kukunin natin, hanapin natin ang dalawang hilda natin, which is 108 meters and 144 meters. Ayan, hahanap tayo ngayon ng prime number na pwedeng i-divide both 108 and 144. So we have 2. 108 divided by 2, the quotient is 54. How about 104 divided by 2? The answer is 72. Now, from these 2, 54 and 72, hahanap tayo ng panibagong prime number dito. Okay, we have 2. 54 divided by 2 is equals to 27. Next, 72 divided by 2, ang sagot natin ay 36. So, hahanap tayo ulit ng prime number para pwede i-divide sa 27 and 36. So, we have 3. 27 divided by 3, your answer is 9. Next, 36 divided by 3, the answer is 12. Ngayon, may prime number pa na pwede kay 9 at kay 12. We have 3. So, 3. 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So, anong gagawin natin? Nakikita ninyo ang nakapula. Ayan. Ang mga numbers na nakapula, which is 2, 2, 3, 3. Ang gagawin natin, i-multiply lang natin sila sa isa't isa. So, GCF of 108 and 144 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 36. Okay, so ang GCF ng 108 at ng 144 ay 36. Okay, ganun lang kadali mga anak.